We see a very important part of EMC strategy going forward is the move from on-premise to data center solutions. More and more it's going to be about storage solutions that are based in data centers. EMC has grasped that and is looking for partners that can deliver these services. So we see this relationship as absolutely key. What we can do to help EMC with that strategy is we have developed a set of services which are based around our own IPR, are based around our control panels and the ability to deliver these services over the internet. So we can take those abilities, combine that with the services that EMC provide to provide something new to the EMC sales force and their partners. We think it will make it much easier for customers to move on to enterprise grade solutions, because frankly the investment will be less. They can leverage our investment in the infrastructure. It's not just enterprise customers, but it also allows, for example, SME customers who could not afford backup solutions, for example, like Avamar, whereas now they can take our Cloud Avamar solution, which gives them access to enterprise grade hardware.